Hello friends, Dev's here with a new recipe, Dum Mutton Biryani. It's so amazing. So let's begin our mutton biryani. I have taken half kg of mutton, boneless, or papita paste so that the mutton gets tender fast. I will put it into the mutton and nicely soak it. I have taken half kg of basmati rice and soaked it for 10 minutes. Now in a vessel, take water, let it get warm, then put 2 tablespoons of oil. And mix it properly. Now we'll put 1 tablespoon of salt and mix it properly. Now put the rice into it. The rice should be cooked 70% only. Give a stir and let it cook. Take cut onions and fry them till brown. You can see the rice is cooked, half cooked. The onions are getting browner. Fried onions are done. Take a vessel and put 4 tablespoons of oil. I am using olive oil. After the oil is warm, you can put half a tablespoon of shahi jeera, nutmeg, 2 big elaichi, 2 bay leaves, Now put the mutton which was soaked in raw papita. Put 2 to 3 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste. 3 tablespoons. Cumin powder, 1 tablespoon. Cumin powder. Coriander powder, 1 tablespoon. Chili powder, half a tablespoon. And garam masala powder, tablespoon. Now I'm going to add salt to taste. Put it according to your taste. And 2 tomato puree. Mix it properly. Add 2 tablespoons of biryani powder. Any brand you can take, any good brand. Add 2 tablespoons of biryani powder. Any brand you can take, any good brand. Put curd, around 7 to 8 tablespoons. Some likes with potato also, so if you like, it's optional, you can put potatoes also. And let it boil. Cover it and leave it for 10 minutes. While it is boiling, you can put some cut chilies, little coriander leaf, freshly cut, and some mint leaf. Get a flavor. We have to cook the mutton half cooked. Just check now it's still done. So we will cover it. Cover it again and for another 5 minutes. Now our mutton is half cooked. We'll off the flame and make our layers for biryani. Take the utensil and start putting the rice for layers. Nicely spread it. Now put the mutton. Spread it evenly. Now put the fried onions. Ghee, around 1 biryani essence. Now again put another layer of rice. Put it uniformly. With the mutton again. Spread it properly. Now again put ghee, 1 teaspoon. Fried onions. Some fresh coriander. Mint leaf. Biryani essence. Rose water. Now again put the rice and cover it. And nicely set it. Now again put 1 teaspoon of ghee. Mint leaf. Coriander leaf. Fried onions. Rose water. Now put some fried cashews. This is optional. If you want only, you can put. And after that, I have soaked saffron water and kept from before, so you can slightly put it over the biryani to give a nice color. After that, you can put this foil and cover it, and put the lid, and put it in the stove. Put it in the stove. First 7 minutes will be in high flame, and the next 4 minutes will be low flame. Then you can off the gas and serve. Now let us check how the biryani looks like. Wow, it looks amazing. So let us serve. let us serve. The aroma is amazing. Your dum mutton biryani is ready. You can serve it with raita and it tastes amazing. Friends, you must try. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. If you have questions regarding this recipe, you may ask me in the comment below. Thank you for watching.